absolutely massive 3 points. You know, when you look at where we've come from Christmas to now, to get 10 points in 4 games is put us right back in the mix of where we wanted to be, where we need to be, and we have to keep climbing now. There's no looking backwards now. We have to stay playing on the front foot. I thought Penrhyncoch, to their credit, they come here, they made it really difficult for us. I think it was, first half was a bit scrappy, but second half I felt that we were the better side. They'll probably disagree, but I'm not really bothered, to be honest with you. We come away with 3 points, and it's a huge month for the club, and hopefully, this gives us a massive springboard now for the rest of the season to go on and pick up as many points as possible, because it's really compact in the middle of the table now. So there's probably 4 or 5 above us as well who can get sucked back into it. So all we need to do is keep looking after ourselves, because we've certainly got quality players in there now who've come in and give us a massive boost. And so happy with today, especially it was a big night for the club tonight as well. A bit of a fundraiser, and I'm sure all the lads will be absolutely made up with that, and celebrating style tonight.